Hello. Those who know what I'm about to do will probably know who this is inspired by. If not, watch on. So we have this ice caffeine drink, which is basically zero sugar, as you can see right there on the top. Zero sugar, basically sparkling water, but it has caffeine, and it is very, very tasty. Has a bit of a blue color, not just the packaging, but the can and the liquid within it have a kind of blue tint. This is very blue, way bluer than the liquid inside is. And it says blue raspberry down below, which kind of gives you a hint into what it actually tastes like. Now, I once thought that this can was twice the size of a normal, normal-ish can, but no, actually, it's like 1.5 times, or 1.35 times bigger than a normal drink can. One thing you will notice is, of course the can is taller, but it's also blue, as I mentioned before, and it has a big ice cube on it because, well, it's an ice drink, you know? So, I'm gonna kind of show you what it kind of looks like, and then I'll taste it, and then I'll bring a way bigger glass from way over here and show you how much liquid is actually contained within this. So to open it, it's actually harder to open than like a normal can, maybe 2 times harder. Still not very hard though. And as you can see, you can't really see much of a blue color from there. Oop, I just dropped some onto the table. That's okay. I'll clean that up. I'll clean that up in a bit. But yeah, you can't really see the blue tint when you're just looking at it from here. But what you can do is just pour it into a thing. That is not at all what I expected. Now, this is blue, as you could clearly see, but it's not the kind of blue I thought. When I poured some of this out before and drank it from a glass, just so I didn't have to carry a can around with me, which actually, now that I think about it, would probably have been easier for me to do than carry a glass around, and less dangerous too. But I thought this was way more blue than gray. Turns out that is not even the case. This looks more gray than it does blue. But here we go, let's taste it. It has a very sour taste to it. It's more of a pleasant sour, I would call it. But I wouldn't call it a... Like, if you're not someone who's into sour stuff, or someone who just hates sour stuff, I'd say don't pick this up, because you'll probably not like it. And judging about how big this can is, you'll have a lot of it to go to waste. I don't know how expensive that was, because I don't purchase food for the house yet. But on my guess, it's probably around $4 or something for a can. It's just ice water with caffeine and a little bit of flavoring, so. But the flavoring is quite powerful for it being advertised as sparkling ice water. So, yeah, it is definitely stronger than advertised. But I mean, you have to count for the 2 whole flavors being advertised here. Oh no, it's just blue raspberry flavored sparkling water. 16 fluid ounces. I thought it was going to say something like blueberry raspberry or something. But the benefits to this are it has 0 sugar, which is very good for me because my teeth already started falling out and I needed a solution. So 0 sugar, caffeine and colors are from natural sources, and apparently it has antioxidants and vitamins within it. Not that I know which ones they are. 0 sugar, 0 sodium. The Dr. Pepper ones that have 0 sugar, they have a crap ton of sodium, at least for what I thought. This does not have any. Has 15% of all the daily vitamins, or at least 15% of the daily dose of a normal person, I guess. Serving size 1 can, 5 calories per can as well. What is pantothenic acid? I've never even heard of that. So it's low calorie, has antioxidants, 135 mcg. I don't know what that is, that thing, but it says 135 mcg, RAE, vitamin A. I don't know what half of that means, but okay, I'm guessing that's good. I'm guessing that's just not gonna kill me. But yeah, we have a blue raspberry. Wait, yeah, that is kind of a blue raspberry. It's not focusing on the can. Focus on the can. You focus on the can. There you go. Yeah, it has a blue raspberry on the front, inside an ice cube, which I think is pretty decent design. Says 0 sugar up at the top. I don't know. Has a little plus in the name. Focus on the pocus. Come on. There you go. Yeah. So, this camera has a really hard time focusing on this can. But anyway. Yeah, so taste, it does very, very well. And you kind of get a little bit of that in smell. You don't get a warning for the sourness of it in the smell. It smells more like cough syrup than soda. And actually, soda really doesn't smell like any... Actually, no, it does. Dr. Pepper has a very distinctive smell. This does not. It smells more like blueberry cough medicine. Now, I am a person that is pretty much tired all the time until very, very late hours of the day. So, drinks like this help me a lot. Let's see how much is actually in this can. I brought this huge glass from way over yonder over there. See, it's got a little bit of fizzy. Incredible. Oh, that looks a lot more blue. And once you get more of it in a closed space, it starts turning more blue the more you get. So, yeah. Got still a lot of fizzy action going on in there, as you can see. Pretty sweet. I rate this drink at 7 out of 10. Maybe 7.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Hello. For the select few who know what I'm doing, you'll probably know who this is inspired by. We have this drink, which is the ice caffeine sparkling water stuff. And I've actually had a couple of these. These are really good, so I wanted to, show it off a bit and, see what happens. This can is a little bit taller. I once thought it was twice as tall as a